Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites so you don't chase ghosts. Make sure your VS Code build and extensions are current. Outdated extensions often cause errors. Open the integrated terminal and run quick diagnostics, for example, code status, to surface extension conflicts and resource usage. Back up your settings, JSON and key bindings. JSON before changing anything so you can revert. Once done, disable all non-essential extensions and reload the window to isolate the problem before deeper troubleshooting. You now diagnose with deliberate isolation. Launch with extensions disabled to see if the issue persists. That quickly tells you whether extensions are at fault. Next, examine the output panel and open developer tools to capture stack traces and errors. These logs explain the why behind crashes. If logs point to configuration, create a fresh user profile or use a portable install to confirm whether your workspace or user settings are the culprit. Make iterative changes and retest after each change to pinpoint the cause. You apply fixes deliberately and then verify results. Remove or update any extension identified as the offender and clear the extension cache. Sometimes reinstalling solves hidden corruption. If settings were implicated, reset affected keys selectively or restore your backup settings. JSON to return to a known good state. Once changes are made, run the same reproduction steps. Run tasks, start a debug session, and exercise features you use daily to confirm stability. If it still fails, one tip: check for conflicting global.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.